Hi there, I'm Andy from Gardening Express. Today we are going to be filling our raised bed. They're coming in a number of designs and finishes. Let's get to it. Today we are going to be planting tomatoes, pumpkins and cucumbers. This is a great time of the year for planting your pumpkins to have them ready for Halloween. We have all these available on the Gardening Express website. When starting to fill your raised planter, make sure you have adequate piles of soil accessible to put into it. Depending on the location of your raised bed, you may choose to put a membrane underneath it. Say if it's on a lawn area, you may wish to stop the grass coming up. As is on a large plot, we've decided to put nothing underneath it. To help with the growth and stability of our tomato plant, we've decided to stake it. This will make it more stable in the ground and less susceptible to rocking in the wind. We have lots of great videos like this one coming up this summer, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and enjoy your garden.